Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to choose another recipe from my Thanksgiving menu. I'm going to make a traditional Southern style collard greens. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. I have here the collard greens, the minced onions, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil, red pepper flakes, minced garlic, black pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, chicken broth, and in this pot here, I have smoked neck bones, which I washed already. And now we're going to start making the Southern style collard greens. Now, this is what we do with the collard greens. We tear them down like this to take out the hard stem. And we don't use that part of it. We discard that. See? Then we take the collard greens and we roll them up like if you're rolling up a cigar. See, I have a bowl here already with some in it in the water. Oof, already cut up. Now, we take some white distilled vinegar and we pour it over the collard greens. Some people use salt. You can use salt if you like. Then we run some cold water in the sink. There. Now we're going to let this soak in the cold water and the vinegar for about 10 minutes. That's for all the dirt and grit to come off of them. Now, this is what we do next. We turn on this pot with the neck bones and we let it saute up in some oil. We add the garlic and the onions. We let this saute up for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's see if it's ready for the next step. Yes, it is. Now it's time to add the collard greens to the pot. I already washed the vinegar out of them several times in cold water. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. The chicken broth. With the chicken broth, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The brown sugar, the apple cider vinegar, the smoked paprika, the black pepper. You can use salt if you like, but I choose not to because the neck bones are already salted. The red pepper flakes. Now we cover this up and let it cook for about an hour to hour and a half. Let's see. Look at the collard greens jumping in the pot with the smoked neck bones. Now we're going to cook this another 20 minutes. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Here you have it, Southern style collard greens. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.